Day 7. Okay, Brian.
What are you gonna say?
This is it. I'm recording.
What are you gonna say? Brian, we don't have your car, but we got this one.
Yeah, do say that again.
Brian, we don't have your car, but we have this one.
Yeah, we don't have your car. We got this one here. Okay, I don't know if this camera is going to do it justice, but this car... it just kind of changes and pops in the sunlight. There you go. Here, look. I can squat down. You can see me right there. Oh, look, I'm a sumo wrestler. Pretty nice. Let's get up here. See your stripe. Yeah, that's no decal, that's painted on. Wait, see if you can get a good look at that metallic in that pearl. Look at that, I'm taller now. I can weigh. We're aliens. Look at that. Straight as can be. Okay, Brian.
Well,
we just want to let you know, thank you for always being there for Mom and Dad, for spending all your time watering on Saturdays, mowing other people's lawns. We don't know how else to say we appreciate you. So, here we go. So, we're the Bird Bros, and you've just been overhauled. Redneck overhauled. Which means you still got a lot of work left to do, buddy. In fact, we're not even cleaning it totally.
And no excuse not to.
No excuse now. We'll expect you in Logan in a month. Yeah, you still got a year, But now I'm wondering if I'm going to make it with you. So it's been fun. It's been 3 weeks and sick in the middle of it. We took a week off, and so we put about 7-8 days in, 260 hours. We're tired. So
Our part's done.
our part's done. I just hope I don't catch too many bugs driving to Idaho tomorrow. Or rocks. Oh. Okay. See you, bro. Now I'm sitting here dinking.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, don't video me.
Yes, yes, yes. Video you.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that.
You like that?
Jeff, he's gonna die.
Well, you're just seeing the black cherry side. You gotta get around to the sun. Look at it.
Gosh. Look at that.
Now you see the bright color of it.
It almost looks like you showered it. Wow. Well, you guys don't need to.
People are losing their heads. Okay, here we are. Brian, you were inside watching a video while we're outside unloading the car.
That is a ridiculous color.
You can't even do it justice with.
No picture is gonna do it.
Well, Brian, there's your screwdriver that sat there for 2 years, but in a seriously different car. Say hello to your dad.
Hey, Dad. Good choice on colors.
Yes.
I think you like it. The color. I think it's beautiful.
Got the tail light housings on.
Imagine it darker. Oh. Oh man, you're kidding me! Oh, you're kidding me! That's beautiful. Oh, you guys.
What's that, Dad?
There's no note. I found the note. Wow. Oh man. Holy cow, you're kidding, you guys. Holy cow! That's amazing!
Isn't that beautiful?
That is a stout laugh. Wow!
Yeah, no,
You did all this stuff. I didn't know how. That's awesome.
no, it's fine.
That's beautiful. That is amazing. That is. That's perfect. That is amazingly perfect. I knew it was possible, but it sure wasn't going to happen with my hands. Not like this, because everything I put together is, well, you've seen the stuff I put together. Oh, wow. Yeah, you've got the stripes.
Move around with them.
That's just, that's amazing. That's amazing. I knew it'd work. I mean, I thought it'd be, yeah. Jeff knows no flames. He knows that.
Yeah. No rally stripes.
Holy cow. Oh, that is.
Dad, do you remember the conversation Race had with you on the way to work one morning?
Oh, yeah, kind of.
We had to make sure
Color?
about the color, and the stripe, what stripe it was.
I told him the white's the way they did it. The dark colors have good ones.
Yeah, we didn't know.
Wow.
Your narration was great, Todd.
Yeah, that was really funny. That was awesome.
I was tearing and laughing and tearing and laughing.
That's my screwdriver.
You gotta do the final touch.
15 years. I'm surprised it doesn't have an outline.
Well, you know
I
that
left the screwdriver.
you gotta have a key to the trunk, you know.
That's the key to the trunk. That's the key to the trunk.
Yeah.
That's why it's there. It was an insignificant screwdriver. So. 15 years. Oh, you guys are amazing. That is straight. That is beautiful. Where's it? Did you just bring it today or something? I guess I'll find out.
It's sitting right there.
I'll find all that out later, I guess. Oh, wow. I knew it could be good. And it is. It's great.
Sorry we took so long.
That's amazing.
You know, we were sick for a week, so we didn't touch it from Monday to Monday.
I didn't touch it for 7 days. Really?
Yeah.
Hey, you know that deal, that bet, like
Yeah,
here from July?
Yeah.
You're on.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah. Are you saying this July?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Holy mackerel.
Okay. This is it. This is end of episode whatever. Redneck Overhauling by White Desert Rods. There's the Brian right there. And all the accomplices everywhere. Got to get on there. Now, Brian.
Uh-huh.
Now you got to say it. You got to say, like, my name's Brian,
Okay.
but you got to say Redneck.
Okay.
Okay, ready? You got to say it. Ready?
My name is Brian Bird, and I've been rednecked overhauled by my family.